So today I thought I would film a day in a life video for you guys. I am headed back to the gym for the first time since lockdown, and I cannot wait to get in that pool because it's got to be every bit of 95 degrees outside today. So I am really looking forward to getting back and starting to get some really much needed exercise. If anybody feels that way after being in lockdown, let me know in the comments down below. I get to go move somewhere, right? So I just thought that I would take you along with me and Ron. We have already had our coffee this morning. And sorry for the shaking. It's probably from all the coffee this morning. So Ron and I have already had our coffee this morning. I just got dressed to go to the gym, and we ride a bus to the gym, and they should be picking us up, I would say, within the hour. So usually we get to the gym by 1 o'clock, and they come and get us around 3:10, 3:30, and then we'll be back home. I'm planning to make some fajitas tonight for dinner. All of those ingredients are in the refrigerator downstairs, and I'm just going to film bits and pieces of my day. I kind of feel like every time I pick up the camera, I feel like a newbie to this because it's just been so long. Forgive the appearance. I don't really do too much to myself when I'm going to go to the gym because obviously I'm going to be in the pool. But I'm going to film a little bit and take you guys along. I hope you guys are having a fabulous week when you watch this. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the Kiddos Corral family. So, without any more hesitation, let's get this video on the road, shall we? That's why we're at the Y, honey. Up, the door's shutting on us. Let's grab this one.
Yeah.
You got me?
Uh-huh.
You got the door?
Oh, yeah.
All right. We're at...
Oh, yeah, it's coming off here in a minute.
I know it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to get in that iceberg water. I hope there's nobody in there. That's mean, ain't it?
I don't think there'll be many.
Probably not. You got the door? I'll let you lead the way. You're the one. Whew, my camera is gonna fog all up coming through this heat wave room right here. Yep.
Yep.
Nobody in the pool. Pool number 2, the warm pool. Are you glad to be back to the pool?
I tell you, you know what? When you ain't been in it for so long, I tell you what, it makes you appreciate what the Lord's given you. You know, I'm beyond glad to be back.
Yeah, we've been listening to music and swimming about, haven't we?
We have, and I tell you what, we've been here for 2 hours, and just seems like we just got here. So, yeah, I dearly love the water because, you know, that's the one thing that just, it helps me to feel better. It helps me to sleep better. got real good friends here that are just real good to you, and the people is just phenomenal. And
I got 1 more hour.
Well, I'll tell you what, if it goes faster like these past couple has, then I ain't gonna know what to do. But I'm glad that I'm coming back tomorrow.
Yeah, me too. I've actually grown very fond of coming to the Y and going swimming.
I'll tell you, this beats quarantine all the pieces, don't it?
Anything's better than being in lockdown, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're not locked. We're actually we just so glad to be here and thank the Lord for it. Loving all the water, savoring every second of the water. I'm just letting it go down in my body.
Well, we started out in the cold pool, and now we come over here in the warm pool, so let's get swimming before our time runs out.
Honey, I'm so glad to be on this video with you.
Yeah. Love you.
I love you, baby.
On our way home. Are you on our way home?
We're on our way home from a very wonderful day. Over 3 hours worth. It was just wonderful. Now I'm ready to relax.
You know, since I married you, my vlogs are going to sound like they are rehearsed. DJ you.
Oh no, this ain't rehearsed.
Today at 7 p.m. I woke and had a giant cup of coffee.
Probably really sound like a DJ with this mask on, but
yes.
Happy to be getting home and looking forward to it again.
I want to thank my mom for these masks.
Oh, I tell you what,
music.
your mom done a wonderful job on
Mine's
that.
music, it's really pretty. And his is American. Very pretty.
And you know what? It stays on me real nice. Hey, how you doing, buddy?
So if I look shiny, it is because I just took a bath. My hair's pulled up on my head and my face probably looks red because I got hot in the tub, but much needed bath is done. And I thought that I would come in and show you this. If you guys have never used this, it works wonders for keeping mosquitoes away from you. Ronnie really likes to sit out on the porch late at night, and I do too, but the mosquitoes love me. They absolutely love me, but this works really, really well. And if you have any suggestions, I know we used to use Skin So Soft from Avon and various things like that, so let me know if you have any suggestions to keep the mosquitoes off. That is not bug off, because I cannot stand the smell of that, and it makes my skin all itchy, and I just don't like it. So if there's some kind of natural way that you can get rid of mosquitoes, you can let me know. But I am headed out on the porch to sit with him for a little while. Forgive how I look, no makeup and all, but this is a day in a life, and it's supposed to be real, right? Okay, so we want to end this vlog, and we hope that you enjoyed spending the day with us. Ronnie's never ended a vlog before.
No, I tell you, but we sure had a very, very nice day. And I tell you, it's just been wonderful. Just think, over 3 hours of swimming.
Yeah.
And it is 10 o'clock.
Came home, ate, watered plants, brought in groceries, and I'm tired. You tired?
I'm very tired. I'm ready for I'm ready to read the Bible. I'm ready to.
We both look so tired.
I'm ready to hear a podcast.
Oh, God.
And I'm ready for the sleep.
Well,
but
We do thank them for watching the vlog, though, right?
Listen, we thank you guys for not only watching, but those of you that correspond with us. You know, it means so much to us, and we just want you to know that we love you, and we appreciate you watching, and we just want to encourage you to keep watching. And because I tell you, you know what? We may be tired, but I tell you something, every day is a blessing. And you know what? It's up to us to make every day a blessing and to make it count in all that we do. And I tell you, I just thank the Lord for it. And thank you, honey, for being with me today and for having fun with me today.
Well, I had a good time.
Well, I love you, baby.
And you are always an inspiration to everybody. My wonderful, handsome husband. And we want to thank you for sticking with Kiddos Corral. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And we will be catching you on another day. Good night, guys.
So good night.